Guys, welcome to the channel, and thank you for watching my last video about the apps to the moon. And as promised, I will give 10 whitelist spot to 10 lucky guys and see how it's going. And there are many people's retreat, 57 retreat, and let's see who will be the lucky guys. Okay, let's put out this link below the trade, and there will be 10 winners for it. So they must follow my channel and then follow the project channel. Okay, that's it. No need for banner. Maybe picture is better. Okay, 10 winners. Okay, let's see the result. There are many people already retreat and join the raffle. Okay, let's begin the draw. There are 50, 51, and 10 will be the winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. These 10 people will be, let's screenshot this image. Okay. For those who got this whitelist, these 10 people, please open a ticket in the Discord of ATTM and tell them you have joined the Brunson crypto YouTube channel whitelist raffle, and they will allow the whitelist spot to you. Thank you very much for your support to my video. Bye bye.